Good morning, students. Once again, you are most welcome in our channel. This is exercise 1.2 in mathematics. This exercise is selected for students of class 10th. So we continue here. In first video, I have taught question number 1, 2 and 3. This is second part of the exercise 1.2. Now we see here question number 4. Given that HCF in bracket 1261 comma 1067 is equal to 97. It means given that HCF of two numbers, that is 1261 means 1261 and 1061 means 1067 is equal to 97. Now we have to find LCM of these two numbers again, means 1261 and 1067. Means two numbers are given and HCF of them is given 97. Now we have to find LCM of both numbers. Okay, so in this way, how can we solve here this type of question? Means in which way we have to study here? Means if two numbers are given, means first number is given like 1261 and second number is given 1067 and its HCF is also given 97. Then how can we find LCM of these two numbers? Okay, so we apply here a very good formula for solving it. What is that formula? Formula is that HCF into LCM is equal to first number, we can write here in this way, into second number. Okay, this is formula. If we symbolically we write here, we can write here. If we want to write here, we can write in this way. We denote HCF with capital H. If we take here capital H and LCM we take here capital L is equal to first number is denoted by PX and second number is denoted by QX. Okay, where H is HCF of those numbers, means both numbers, L is LCM of both numbers, and PX is first number and QX is second number. We can write here for solving it. So we can consider here this is our formula. Okay, now here by using this formula we can solve it easily. Now HCF is given 97. We have to find here LCM. PX is given means first number. Here we can write for solving it. We can write here given that PX means first number is equal to 1261. QX, that is second number, is 1067 and HCF is equal to 97. Okay, now we put here value. PX is 1261 into QX is 1067. Okay, now L is equal to 1261 into 1067 upon 97. Okay, we can solve here. 97 on the 97, 97 on the 97, we get here 69 and 97 again 1 ja. Means we can write here in this part LCM is equal to We can solve here also. 1261 into 11 is equal to 11 on the 11. Carry on 1. 11 6 is 66. 1 67. Carry on 6. 11 to 22 and 6 28. Carry on to 11 over to 13. Means we can say that LCM of 1261 and 1067 is how much? 13,871. 13,871. This is our answer. We can see here again. How can we put the value? First of all, we have to apply formula. H into L means SCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. Means product of two numbers. We can say here this is also product of two numbers. Means first number into second number. We can say here this is product of two numbers is equal to SCF and LCM are given two numbers. Okay, that two numbers. So we can put here SCF as capital H and LCM as capital L. And is equal to first number is denoted by PX and second number is denoted by QX. We put here formula like this and we can solve here and we find the value. Means LCM of these numbers is 13,871. Okay, I consider it you can understand very easy. Three terms are given here: first number, second number, and here SCF. Fourth point you have to find here. So fourth point we can solve by this formula. Okay, you can screenshot here. Now see here. Question number 5. We can read here. Find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify. Okay. LCM into SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Means question is said here. Find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify LCM and SCF. Means LCM into SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay. What is the question? First part is 26 and 91. Second part is 510 and 92. And third part is 336 means 336 and 54. These are three parts of the questions. Okay. We have to solve here one by one. We can select here solution number first, part number first. We have to find LCM and SCF. LCM and SCF of 26 and 91. First of all, we factorize it. 26 is taken here and 26 is factorized here. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. 13, 31 is 13. Means we got here two factors. Means 2 into 13. Okay, we can write here. 26 is equal to 2 into 13. Same again. 91. 7 on the 7. 2 remainder 21. 7 3 are 21 means 13. 13 to 13 means we find here 7 into 13. Two factors here. Okay, so we can write in this way 7 into 13. Now we know that LCM is here 2 into 7 into 13 means all the numbers at least here 13 is given, at least one common also. 2, 7 and 13 means 2 into 7 into 13. We have taken here LCM. Okay. Now 2 7 are 14 and 14 into 13. 13 4 are 52. 2 carry on 5. and 13 and 30 and 5, 18. And HCF is the highest common factor here. Highest common factor is 13. 13 is here and 30 is here, and no other factor is common here. Okay, 13 is HCF. In this way we can say 13 is common in both numbers. So 13 is HCF. Now we have to verify also here. LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. It should be also here. So we write again LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So our LCM is here 182. This is LCM 182 into 13 is here HCF is equal to first number is 26 and second number is 26, second number is 91. Okay, we multiply here, we got here 2366. The product of LCM and HCF and is equal to the product of 26 and 91 is 2366, means same value. Thus we can say here left hand side is equal to right hand side, means it is proved. Okay, same as second part means 510 and 92, third part means 336 and 54 can be also solved in this way. Okay, on the basis of part first we can solve part second and part third. Okay, thank you students.